Welcome back to my channel, guys. So let's jump right in. So with the Ben 9 nose and scar wax, I'm gonna make little coils. As you guys could see, I already went ahead and kind of made an outline of where I want my scars to be. This is up to you. You could always change it around, obviously. And with the back of my tweezers, I'm gonna go and flatten the edges of that coil that I placed on there, kind of blending it into my skin. Then taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder, I'm just going to pat that onto the wax to kind of take the stickiness away and also set it a little better. Going in with my foundation, I'm just going to try to blend it in a little more. So this is a liquid foundation. This is one that I bought from CVS. It's nothing expensive. Taking it down to my neck and onto the wax to kind of make it blend in better. And I'm going to go in with my Morphe 350 palette and just build a nice eyeshadow look. This is up to you. You could always change the colors up or do whatever eyeshadow look you like more, but I want to stick more to the darker colors because this is more of like a Gorsome, Flapper Girl gone, zombie gone, I don't even know, but I just wanted to go for a darker look, and so that's exactly what I did. I'm going to go in with my sugar water too from Morphe because I want to apply some glitter, and it really helps the glitter set on your eyes a little better. So I applied the sugar water onto my eyelids, and then I took a flat brush and applied the glitter directly onto my eyelid. Taking some black shadow, I'm going to just make some shadows onto my scars, placing it where I feel like it would look better. And I'm going to go in with some red shadow too to kind of give it that sore / irritated skin look, bruising, you know. So you just want to do this back and forth. And again, with this video, I'm kind of all over the place. So I went ahead, did my eyeliner, did my mascara, going to go in with my lipstick, and I'm going to be using a red lipstick to fill in the area where my skin is still okay and the makeup is there. So pretty much half of my lip is going to have lipstick and the other side of my lip is not. It's going to be bloody. So we're going to avoid putting lipstick there. Again, touching in with the eyeshadows in areas that I want to make it look more bruised. Then I'm going to go in with some liquid latex and toilet paper and place that onto my skin just to create a little more texture in the area where I'm going to be applying blood. And so I'm applying a little bit of latex and then applying the toilet paper and then applying more latex. So I'm doing that until I got the whole entire area covered. And then going in with my foundation, just to take away some of the white coloring from the toilet paper, I'm just going to blend that in. Then I'm going to go in with some artificial spray blood. I got this one from 99 cent store and that's amazing. I really like the way it looks when it splatters like that. So I went ahead and sprayed the areas that are wounded. But I'm also going to go in with some liquid artificial blood that I have in a bottle and just kind of fill it in, make it a little more red. So you're just going to want to go back and forth, adding eyeshadow, adding blood, adding black, until you get the look that you really want. So this is kind of the look that you just have to keep building on. spray could get a little messy, so you really want to be careful not to get it in your eye directly. And again, you're just going to go back and forth with the eyeshadow, between the eyeshadow and the artificial blood, until you build in the look that you really want.